You need to hear this if you're a real estate enthusiast. AI is revolutionizing property valuations in ways you won't believe. Artificial intelligence is transforming how we predict real estate market trends. AI algorithms analyze tons of data, like market conditions, neighborhood trends, and even social media chatter, to provide super accurate property valuations. Gone are the days of relying solely on gut feelings or outdated info. With AI, real estate agents and buyers get real-time insights, making smarter, faster decisions. Think about it. Want to know if a neighborhood is on the rise? AI's got you covered. Need to predict the best time to buy or sell? AI to the rescue. This tech isn't just for the pros. Homebuyers can use AI-powered apps to find their dream homes at the best prices. And sellers? They can get the most bang for their buck. AI is making waves in real estate, and it's here to stay. So, if you're in the market, get ready to embrace the future. Be sure to watch this next video with more great AI and real estate tips.